Hey there, it's Travis Shields. I called your office the other day offering a free website audit and competitor analysis. I'm going to show you three things you can fix on your website really easily so you can start beating Catherine Winkle. Because if you type in Midland Dentist on Google, they show up right up at the top here, and you can take that number one spot really easily. You're probably wondering why I would make this video for you. It's really simple. A while ago, I found out that owners are too busy running their business and taking care of patients that they don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more customers. And the only thing stopping them from hiring someone is they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. So what I started doing was giving out these free audits and attack plans. Some people take this information and do it themselves. Some call me back. Whatever you want to do is totally okay with me. My only goal is to help you, give you some education, and give you some advice. So there's three things I want to talk to you about: content, backlinks, and citations. So what Google cares about mostly is right here is all the content, all the words on your website. The more you have, the better. The average website on the front page of Google has roughly 1,500 words of content. So that's really where you want to start. So if I select all the content on your page and I put it in a word counter here, oh, that didn't do it. 1 second here. Copy. Paste. Alright, it shows that you have a 164 words. And if we do that with the competitor here, Catherine Winkle on top, go on her website, copy, you can see that she has 280. So she's beating you a little bit there. But it's super easy to beat. It also gives you the opportunity to fit in some keywords, such as like Midland Dentist, which was ranking her on top. The more you have inside your content, the more it's going to help Google rank you for that. Keep in mind that you should only have one keyword for every 150 words of content. You can also save these pictures as keywords, helping Google to rank you for that keyword. So content's my first tip for you there. My second's called backlinks. A backlink is when a website is linking to your website, driving traffic to you. This is really important because Google's like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of trustworthy, relevant websites vouching for your website by linking to you. Keep in mind they want to see relevant sites, which means you're going to get a lot more power having other healthcare related websites linking to you. The tool that I use to check backlinks is called Ahrefs, this tool here. It's a paid tool. You don't have to use it. There are other free tools out there to track backlinks. So we look at yours here. It shows here that you have 20 referring domains, but you only have 5 do follows. So you only have 5 websites linking back to yours. If we go to Dr. Winkle's here, it says she has less, but in reality she has 7 other websites linking back to her. So she does have a few more, but it's really easy to beat them. If Google thinks that her backlinks are good enough to rank her first, then they're good enough to rank you too. So all I would do is go visit the websites that are linking to her, and I'd get those exact websites linking back to you. A lot of times you can just create an account or contact that website to find a way to put a link on that site. Some are free and some cost money. If you put the links from these exact websites to your page like they did, plus you beat them by having more content, that's how you take the number one spot from them. But I'm going to give you one more tip, and that's how to show up in the map pack. So if we go back here, right here is the map pack. Showing up here is where most traffic and calls come from. People super easily can click here and just call. To be at the top here, you need to have more citations than your competitors. So a citation is when you list your name, address, and phone number inside of a directory. A directory is a website that allows you to list your business information, such as Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, and so on. So what I would do if I were you, I would find out how many citations that your top competitor has and double what they have. So if they were in 100 directories, I'd put myself in 200 directories. But that's all I got for you. I hope you found this information helpful. As a quick recap, you want 1,500 words of content with buyer intent keywords. You want to copy your competitors' backlinks and then add a few more to beat them. And then put your name, address, and phone number in double the amount of directories your competitor has. If you follow these 3 tips, this is how you take the #1 spot all across Google. What do you do now? You can either take this information and apply it yourself, or if you want someone else to do this for you, or you have any questions, feel free to give me a call at 989-200-4955, or just simply reply back to this email and we can contact each other that way. I'll be happy to help you. Either way, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I look forward to hearing your feedback, and have a great rest of your day.